Hello, my little superstars. Today we are going to read sentences. Are you ready? Yes. Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. Before we begin, do click on the red subscribe button if you haven't to watch fun learning videos every day. Let's get started. A safe play around. I went to the park with my friend. Again, I went to the park with my friend. Your turn. Very good. We sat on a soft mat near the blue swing. Again, we sat on a soft mat near the blue swing. Your turn. Very good. We checked that the place was clean and safe. Again, we checked that the place was clean and safe. Your turn. Very good. We played with a ball and read a picture book. Again, we played with a ball and read a picture book. Your turn. Very good. Before leaving, we waved goodbye to the sun. Again, before leaving, we waved goodbye to the sun. Your turn. Very good. Let's read the entire story once again. I went to the park with my friend. We sat on a soft mat near the blue swing. We checked that the place was clean and safe. We played with a ball and read a picture book. Before leaving, we waved goodbye to the sun. Very good. Did you like this story? I liked it too. Let's move to the questions. Are you ready to answer some interesting questions? Let's get started. Question 1. What should you wear when riding a bicycle? Option 1. A cap. Option 2. A helmet. And the right answer is option 2. A helmet. Very good. Question 2. What should you do before crossing the road? Option 1. Run quickly. Option 2. Look both ways. And the right answer is option 2. Look both ways. Very good. Question 3. Who should you tell before going to play? Option 1. Your pet. Option 2. Your parent. And the right answer is option 2. Your parent. Question 4. Is it safe to touch electric switches with wet hands? Option 1. Yes. Option 2. No. And the right answer is option 2. No. It's not safe to touch electric switches with wet hands. You did amazing today. You answered all the questions and you read so many sentences. Are you happy and confident? You can do much more. Let's meet in the next video. Are you excited to meet Teaching Mama again? I'm excited to meet you too. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.